Hi everyone, here I've got Realme 7i and let me share with you some secret codes which you can use on your device. So firstly, let's enter the phone dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes. Let's tap on the keypad and let me enter the first code, which is also the shortest one. It is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225####. And as I said, we are in a calendar info. I'm not signed into this device, but no worries, if you will have your account added, then you will be able to check some family events, some holidays in your country should appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the place where all the events attached to your account are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you another code, which is *888#. And as you can see, we are in the engineer mode, and here we can check the PCB number, which is right here. What's more, here you can scan this QR code with another device and check some info about your Realme. So let me get back and let me show you another code, which is *#426###. And as you can see, we are in a diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected or signal level. What's more, we can tap on events and here we will receive some further details. We can tap also on the three dots icon, and after activating the advanced view and tapping on the status again, we can receive much more details, for example the heartbeat, network type or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the phone software info. It is *#6776#. And as I said, we are in a software version, so here we can check, let's say, technical info like model, Android version, kernel, master date, branch version, or build time. Let me get back and let me show you the last code, which will open the feedback menu, and it is *800#. And as I said, we are in a feedback menu, so here you've got the section where you can report some problems with your device. So for example, if you meet some problems with the network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, camera sensor or touch screen, you can tap on it, and here you will be able to start catch log. Your device will record the screen and all problems which you meet, and then after starting the logging, we have to wait, and then your device will start recording. As you can see here, we've got the counting for how many seconds and then minutes your device will record the screen, and after stopping it, we will be transferred to the feedback, so we can add the title, contact and name, and we can describe our problem. What's more, we can add screenshot or video we just took. Let me get back and let me turn it off. What's more, here we've got the suggest option, so we can tap on it, and here you can suggest some changes to the developer of Realme. So you can describe what you would like to see in the next Realme. So actually, that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Realme 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.